This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any questions, please send me a message in the comment section below. In this tutorial, I show you how to install the Ford IDS 120 versions, but the procedure is the same for other versions of this program. I install this program on Windows 11, but the procedure is the same or very similar for other versions of Windows. Download all parts of the program. Make sure your files look like mine. If you see a -00 and number in the end of the file name, then rename the files and remove the dash, the 2 zeros, and the number that follows. Create a Ford folder on your desktop and move the downloaded files into it. Right-click on Part 1 and select Extract here. When the program is completely extracted, cut the Ford 120 folder and move it to your C drive. Download VMware from the link provided in the text file. You can download any version of VMware you like. Once you have downloaded VMware, extract it and install it. Deselect these two options and press Next. Start VMware. Select Open a virtual machine and locate the Ford 120 folder on your C drive. Select the Ford 120 at Tools for Car file and press Open. In the section Edit Virtual Machine Settings, you can change the amount of RAM assigned to the virtual machine. The higher the number of RAM, the faster the virtual machine, but the slower your native Windows. So, make sure you find the golden mean that suits you. Press Play Virtual Machine. If you see this option, select I move it and OK. Select Public Network and close. Restart now. If you want to change the screen size, right-click in the background of Windows 7, which is installed on VMware, and select Screen Resolution. Here you can select the screen resolution. Connect the VCM2 interface to your computer using the USB cable. You will see two lit LEDs on the device. Select Connect to a virtual machine. Remember my choice and OK. Click on Player, Removable Devices, and you should see that the new device, Vitronix, is connected. In the bottom left corner of Windows 7, click on the round Windows symbol and select Control Panel. Select Device Manager. You should see the new device in the network adapters. ETAS VCI USB. Click on the IDS Ford icon and wait for the program to open. Click on the green tick. Wait until the VCI Manager opens. At the top you will see the message, "Not connected to VCI." Now disconnect the cable from the interface. The description under the interface should disappear. Pull off the black cover on the side where the cable was just connected. Disconnect the cable from the computer and connect it to the interface. There is a button on the interface. Press and hold it while you connect the cable to your computer. You should see the interface name again. Make sure that you can see the connected Vitronix device in Player, Device Manager. Click on the red device symbol and recover. Start update and OK. You will see a blinking LED on the device next to the computer symbol. You can now release the button on the interface and wait patiently for the interface to be updated. Click OK. And connect. In Show Details, you will see the serial number of your interface. Open Ford IDS program. Select the first tab at the top and second tab down. Open the VCM2 submenu. You should see the serial number of your interface here. If you have finished using the program, do not close the computer but press the X in the top right corner and select Suspend. If you want to open the program, select the yellow VMware icon and start Ford IDS. After restarting, make sure that the Ford interface is detected by VMware. If it is, press VCI Manager, click on the red interface icon and select Connect. The interface that works with the Ford IDS also works with the Mazda IDS. You can install it on this VMware. For more details, see the video, How to Install Mazda IDS. If you have reached this point, congratulations. You have just installed the software.